National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Polk County and central Florida until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles northeast of Avon Park, moving north at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lake Wales around 1:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Highland Park, Indian Lake Estates, Crooked Lake Park, Waverly, Hillcrest Heights, Lake Wales Municipal Airport, Babson Park, Frostproof, Cypress Gardens, and Dundee. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Polk, Florida,